Every day, hands and feet are put to the test. Running, walking, gardening, washing. That is why Roger and Marion Delbôve formulated specific treatments for these fragile areas. Main de Fée, a rich but non-greasy treatment and sanitizing cream that will visibly and lastingly restore softness, suppleness and elasticity to your hands. Delbôve Hand Care has an extra gentle formula: sweet almond oil, cocoa seed butter, avocado oil, coconut. Daily use will help prevent the formation of calluses. Marion Delbôve also developed a deep, nourishing and repairing cream for your feet, Pieds Enchantés. This regenerating and balancing cream is particularly effective against foot odor, which daily use will help neutralize. Its extra smooth, ultra-penetrating texture helps prevent cracks and calluses. The effects of menthol and camphor offer welcomed relief for swollen and tired feet.